get caught by the granny, I guess. I don't know what's really the name.
Hi
but yeah,
guys,
you have to
playing
make
games.
Granny
So
really mad.
sorry guys. I don't know this game ever seen.
Hang on, guys. Is Granny coming?
Granny. Okay, she's running. Yes, Granny this side. Granny's side.
No, I got caught.
आपको डांट पड़ी है.
I'm getting scolded, right?
Yo, welcome to this game.
I don't know. Go back to the game we were playing. Oh, sorry.
It's okay. Like this, that.
Okay. I'm playing this game. You can play that. Sure, yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Now we have to go upstairs.
Downstairs. Up
Wait for
score.
Left.
Up score. Down score. Up score. Down score. Up score. Down.
Guys,
Yo,
ready?
this is so magic.
We are waiting for the black cat. Do you know?
Okay,
Upstairs.
let's go. Up and down.
So, yeah.
Up and down.
Oh my.
Up and
really
down. Up and
Got it,
down.
vlog.
Oh, Spice is lost.
You can play the game I'm playing.
I'm playing this whole game. This whole games and go. Are you goat?
Guys, no.
Oh.
No, I'm just gonna hide until Grandma comes. Okay, hopefully Grandma cannot see me. Because then that would be
spikes.
real bad. So yeah, okay, now Grandma's gonna wait with her big fat bowl. Okay,
Yes.
so the cat's coming. Okay.
I'm playing.
Oh, okay. So let's go.
I'm playing Cookie.
Okay, now what do I have to
I'm
pick?
doing my account.
Can I pick anything else? Looks like not.
I'm playing this game. This is a
Okay.
game.
I'm trying to break something.
Okay.
Oh my god, why am I glitching? Oh.
I know now.
Can I break the TV?
Let's my account see. Yes, let's go.
What else can I
I'm going
break?
to do
Where
it
am I?
this early.
Which level are you on?
I'm coming your best friend. And
Okay. Play with me.
Okay, that game is so gross. This game.
Can you turn the volume down?
Why? Blah blah blah. Okay, let's play the keyboards. Why it's so mean?
Oh my. Grandma's gonna kill me.
Abba TV toro. Okay.
I know why he was speaking that. Say sorry.
Sorry.
Will you say that again?
Okay, sorry. Bye.
Okay, he was doing another thing. But
Sorry, guys. I don't know this game.
well, I don't understand.
seen.
Okay, I'm gonna break the TV in front of the camera. Time to get in trouble. I don't know why hearts are coming out of her. Can you turn down the volume?
Okay, whatever.
And I'll tell you what to do, okay?
आपको डांट पड़ी है. Let's go.
I'm getting scolded. Okay. First, you have to break the pot.
Let's go.
Break.
Let's break this.
Can you break the fish tank?
No, we don't. I want to cook.
There's nothing here to break, so I think I'm gonna go upstairs to see
Ah,
if there's anything to break.
get out! Ooh.
Relax, man.
It's not torn है.
Okay, I'm like real confused. No. What is that? Hide in the box.
Q.
Q.
Let's see.
Oh my. Looks like that cat is getting in trouble, right? Okay, what's it?
I never seen this game. Oh, Grandma, see me. Oh, get out. Oh man, what are you doing?
Okay, let's go.
I going to here. Blah, what do you want?
I want to break something. Guys, तेरा just beat the game.
And dance. Oh, where is it?
No.
No, don't break the TV. It's not
No,
fair.
break the TV. You have to.
Why?
Or come upstairs and break the chandelier.
Grammy, मुझे डांट पड़ेगी.
Yeah, you're gonna get scolded.
No.
Sorry, okay?
Okay, sorry. It's okay.
Okay,
I drank take me.
Okay.
Breaking. Break.
Break Miss TV. Okay. Quick, hide. Her voice is really, ugly.
मैं बाहर हूँ जीता हूँ.
Yeah, he's coming.
Okay.
So yeah, I know why he keeps saying that. You don't use that language. Got
Okay. I bring you something.
Oh my!
Oh my
Did
god.
it just kiss the cat?
I broke.
Is there anything else to break? Oh my!
Wow.
Did you break anything else? No. Yeah. Hide in the box.
Yes.
You're dead. You're dead, man. I told you to hide in the box. Okay, she's calling you Mr. Rat. Okay, I cannot understand her in my,
Yo, what are you doing, Mr. Light? I'm going to hit your butts.
Oh my god.
I
Guys,
hide.
he's a kid. He always does that. Try.
She's so angry and dumb.
Yeah, she is actually.
I hit this dumbbells. I hit the
Okay, guys, so I think I just completed it.
I
so
hit
yeah.
your back part.
Bye, guys.
Ah,
See you in the next one. Bye. Say bye.
bye.
Bye.